Are your hands often red, cracked, itchy, or even blistered? Our hands get a lot of wear and tear, so it's no surprise that they bear the brunt of all of our day-to-day activities. For many of us, extra hand washing and hand sanitizer to prevent spread of COVID-19 has either brought this out as a new issue to deal with or exacerbated an existing problem. Hand eczema is most often caused by chemicals and activities that irritate and dry your skin, like handling soaps, detergents, alcohol, and other cleaning agents. However, in a significant number of people, an allergic reaction might be playing a part. Sometimes a person will think the answer lies in changing to a different company's products, but an allergy is to an ingredient and not to a company. So unless you know the ingredient to avoid, you might keep buying different products that each contain the thing you're allergic to. If glove protection, extra moisturizer, etc., hasn't helped your hands to improve, let us help you sort through the possible causes. A biopsy and/or patch allergy testing can be considered.